the YouTube vlogger.
Okay.
Hello, sir. I'm Carlo from Carlstyle TV. Hello, hello. You're from Damned.
Yeah.
You're the son of the owner of Damned, or?
Yeah, I'm the owner.
You're the owner.
Yeah.
Oh wow. Oh wow. Okay, okay.
Yeah, my English is a little bit.
All right. So, it's all good, man. So what do we have here?
Yeah. Yeah, we made the body kit for the Jimny. It's like a G-Rox D63.
Yes,
and
yes.
G63, and then this is Defender. Look like
Okay, okay.
The name is Little G and Little D.
Little G and Little D.
Yeah.
All right. So, are these all fiberglass?
It's not ABS.
ABS. Okay.
So we made a grill, the bumper, the over fender, and the aluminum step.
Oh, it's an aluminum step. Okay.
And also side mold.
Side mold. Okay.
And the stainless plate.
How about this? Is this included in the kit?
Sorry?
Is this included on the kit?
Yeah.
Ah, okay. Wow.
We made the side market too.
Yeah. Ah, okay. Pretty neat, man. So neat, so clean. Little G, little D. So for the little D, what's the difference, man? So
The grill
the grill.
and the bumper,
Oh yeah.
they're totally different.
Yes.
Also, we made the side marker and
So that's the difference. Okay.
also in a bonnet hood.
Oh.
We made all the product included body kit.
All right. How about do you have rear spoilers?
Yeah, no rear spoilers. Originally, we made the rear bumper
Oh, okay. Oh,
and also mudguard.
nice. Is this race exclusive to?
This is a race wheel. This is racing. Put that.
Wow. And the front runner looks good on your kits,
Yeah, it's cool. I love that.
but it looks very well because of the edge, very edgy. Unlike the other, they're very curvy. This one fits well. Very nice.
Also, for Little G, we made a tire cover.
Tire cover. Oh, okay. So
And also, you can see the emblem.
very nice, man.
350. And also, we made the little emblem.
Wow.
It's kind of joke, right?
Yes, but it's, it has humor, man.
Yeah.
Defender and a wagon, a G-Wagon. Nice. So how long are you gonna stay here?
Oh, tonight we have to leave.
Oh man, very lucky.
I come into Tokyo Old Salon.
Hopefully, yes. Yes.
We will have a booth.
All right, sure. It's an honor to meet you, sir.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Bye. Bye.
What up, guys? Once again, it's your boy Carl of Carlstyle TV. Ingress ng Manila Auto Salon.
I need some sleep.
Oh.
Kuha mo, bro. Ito sa harapan.
Layo pa eh.
Hindi, yung Porsche.
Meron pa.
Yung Porsche dito.
Saan ba pwesto natin? Yep. CarlstyleTV Exclusive. Ingress 2019.
Saan tayo?
Boss, dun daw. Kaso ayaw mag-start. Hindi nila mapaandar. So,
Hindi tayo pwedeng ganun.
ayaw tayo padaanin dito kasi baka madumihan.
Okay. Ba't tayo nandito?
Hindi makakabit kasi.
Ganda ng auto.
Yun na sasabihin niya, papakabay.
Ben.
Yes. Carlstyle.
Yes, sir.
Sense of Visayas.
Bad boys agad.
Bad boys agad.
Bad boys agad.
Hello.
You say bad boys agad. Go. Bad boys agad. Bad boys agad.
Fido. I don't want.
You don't want to be a bad boy? But you want to be sagad. What do we do to bad boys?
You like it? Is it comfortable? You look so cute. It's not comfortable. Is it painful in your butt? Huh?
Taga Mindoro kayo.
Mindoro.
11 din yan.
11 din.
Relax, ano to? Ano to nasa likod mo?
Tent.
Tent.
Foldable tent, ganyan, no?
Ah.
Pop-up tent ang tawag.
Pop-up tent ang tawag. Oh, okay. So, pare kahit dito sa show, may bumili. Ano yan? So kahit dito sa show, binibili yung gamit namin. Front runner, man. Shoutout kay Sir Kuyang, yan yung purchaser natin. Hello, sir! Alright. Dito tayo ngayon sa Manila Auto Salon. Kasama ko yung isa sa mga bad boys agad, si Sir Kuyang Remer. Hello, sir. Yes. So nakita niya kasi yung tent natin. Sabi niya, hindi ako uuwi hanggat di ko nabibili yan. So, boom! There you go. Thank you, sir, for the purchase.
Thank you.
Bad boys agad, man.
Nakita ko chill na chill ka gamitin eh.
Alright.
Ano ba rin? Siya na magpapato at nasa ako na lang
Sige.
Pato mo na lang, gano'n.
Babato ko lang.
Alright.
Ano yun? Hindi na humiga.
Yung gano'n, Tapos ito gagawin yun. Yun lang yun, ha? Easy as 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, nigga. Yes, sir.
Para pala maging brand ambassador.